My name is Mukesh. I'm the venue manager of Swingers. We bring this brand in 2023 in Dubai from one of the top locations in London, and we wanted to recreate a great atmosphere for people in Dubai. Initially, when we opened this venue, we was using a different speakers, and we were finding it very difficult. But once we changed to Bose, we have seen we're changing within a second, thanks to the entire Bose team that they provided training to our team. And now each of my staff members, they know how to operate the music in the venues, and it's very easy.
The idea of this project is to create something which Dubai had never seen. The total area of the project is around 21,000 square feet, which is massive. This is not just a small fit-out project, it's a massive construction project.
In Swingers, we have 3 different areas. So we have a cocktail bar area, then speakeasy, where it's more dark, and then we have a food court area, and all 3 areas have their own separate golf course. And we do have our mezzanine floor where we have a capacity of over 200 people. The best part about in this venue is that at each corner, we can manage the music separately.
In all these multiple areas, you need different sound levels, and the clarity also should be different. So we had to ensure that there are speakers almost everywhere so that it is not loud in one particular spot, but there is a premium audio quality all throughout the venue. Bose Professional's role here was not just about supplying speakers, but it is more about being a trusted partner for Swingers and Rise, as well as a complete solution provider.
We have approached Bose to find a solution for the project. They have given us a hand-to-hand on this project, and they have done all the mapping again for the project, and they have created different zones which is having different kind of requirements for the music system.
We are using the DesignMax series over here. Majorly the DesignMax 8S, the subs over here, and the 6S. To match it, we are using the Bose Professional amplifiers and the DSPs because there is live DJ and a long operational hours. So to match these, they needed reliable solutions, a robust experience, and we were able to deliver with the Bose Professional amplifiers, DSPs, and the loudspeaker.
You can manage each area with different tune, different music, and you can balance the sound and music based on your requirement through a very easy system which can be done within a second.
So when it comes to music, Bose is my one-stop solution for all my problems. That's what I realized in my integration with Bose in my last 2 projects. So I won't be using any other product moving forward. Bose has given us that zoning, which is very comfortable for accompanying all the guests in a single event. And even guests has told us these kind of feedbacks through their social media. Also, we are getting regular feedbacks, and also we are getting feedbacks directly from the guests. So the guests are really happy with the music system.
I'm very pleased with the Bose system, and it's very user-friendly. It helps us to enhance the music in each area. It's definitely adding a value to our guests and our team as well, as we are not spending a lot of time to adjusting the music and balancing it. So it helps us to save time and create a nice atmosphere in the venue as well. The Bose system exceeded our expectation, I believe, because of their experience in the hospitality sectors. Most of good restaurants, they're using the Bose system because of their crisp and clean sound system, and it definitely helps us to create a night ambience and atmosphere for our guests, and guest is also consistently commenting how good it is.
When you walk into this place, you see this buzzing crowd. You see the technology seamlessly blended, and you don't notice it. With this live environment, with our music supporting it, it does make me proud of this install.